Let me show you now how setup flows and support flows work. The idea behind them is that we are here at the team status configuration page, and for example for this access we want a flow to be instanced every time someone has problems with this. So there will be an instance to track the support for this problem, and every time a new user is added to the team, we're going to instantiate one of these setup flows automatically. So let's go and create them first. I'm gonna go here and create the setup for Bitbucket. As a setup flow. And let's say we have to create user. And let's do the same for the support flow with the support steps. So of course the description is going to tell us how to do that, but we're going over it really quickly now. So now that it's created, we can go back to our original team status configuration, and we're gonna assign to this access the setup flow and the support flow we've just created. It was this one. There we go. So now let's say a user has problems. For example, let's go to this other user, and he has issues with one of the accesses. For example, Bitbucket access. He's going to check it as no. Then there will be an instance for the ticket or the flow that is going to be created automatically. And if we go here to assignments, we should see that there's a new instance with 2 tickets to fix this problem. The same applies to setup flows. So if there's a new member in the team, there will be an instance created for the person in charge to prepare everything for that. And there's one thing that I didn't mention, but let's go over it now. When you create a setup or support flow, you can assign one of the steps to the current user. This means that this step will be assigned and it will have to be done by the person that reported the problem or needs the setup. So maybe there's one step that implies the user adding some files into his computer. So and we describe the thing here. When we instantiate one of these, then this step will go to the same user that needs help.